करना है इन केस ऑफ पास्ट टेंस, हमने पहले प्रेजेंट टेंस को स्टडी कर लिया. When you have to study in the past tense as if or as though, तो आपके पास subject के बाद verb in the past perfect tense आएगा. For example, Betty talked about the contest as if she had won the prize. ठीक है, won the grand prize. So this is the simple past tense. as if के बाद आपके पास subject के पास पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का पास्ट परफेक्ट का जो है वर्ब फॉर्म होगा. सो Betty talked about the contest as if she had won the grand prize. It means she did not win the prize. So that's how you will show the contradiction when to the fact जब आप as if और as though को यूज़ करेंगे in past tense, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंसेस, राइट. सो आप इन दोनों के साथ हमेशा पास्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे. पास्ट टेंस जब यूज़ करेंगे आपके पास मेन में प्रेजेंट टेंस मौजूद है, यहाँ पर पास्ट टेंस है तो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस आएगा विद एज इफ एंड एज दो. इसकी कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हम देख लेते हैं. जेफ लुक्ड, दिस इज पास्ट टेंस. एज इफ, दिस इज योर कंजक्शन. ही हैड सीन, दिस इज अ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. a ghost, so it means Jeff did not see a ghost. So the sentence says Jeff ने ऐसे देखा है जैसे उसने ghost को देखा हो. It means इसने ghost को नहीं देखा, because as if word हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम बात कर रहे हैं contradictory to the fact. Next example, he looked as though he had run 10 miles. उसने ऐसे देखा, और ये he looked like कि उसने जैसे वो 10 miles भागा हो. So the reality is he did not run 10 miles. The two preceding rules apply only when as if or as though indicates a contrary to the fact meaning. हमने इससे पहले जो दो रूल्स पढ़े हैं with past tense, past perfect tense के हवाले से, ये हम तब यूज़ होते हैं जब हम contrary to the fact meaning बात कर रहे हों. At times they don't have the meaning and then would not be followed by these tenses. For example, he looks as if he has finished the test. Perhaps he has finished the test. इससे पहले जो हमने रूल्स बताए थे वो उस वक्त थे जब हम contrary to the fact बात कर रहे हैं, but at times it's not contrary at all. So in that case you just mention he looks as if he has finished the test. So it may have perhaps finished the test. तो हम इसमें श्योर तो नहीं है, लेकिन हम इसको contradictory statement नहीं कह रहे. He looked as though he was leaving. Perhaps he was leaving. We don't know. It's just perhaps, but it's not contrary to the fact at all. This was all about as if and as though. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.